Today I will show you the component of HVAC. So the HVAC is actually used for the big buildings, commercial buildings, where air conditioning is used in large number. For a small unit we are using simple split AC or window AC, but for the big commercial buildings we are using HVAC system, which is heating, ventilation and air conditioning. So I am showing you the unit which is called AHU, air handling unit. Video which you are seeing is air handling unit, where air is come inside into this and get filtered. If I open this part, you will see back filters are here. This is back filter. This is called pre-filter. This part, this is back filter. So when air will come inside into this, the air will get filtered via these two sections. After this, that it will go inside into this, and in another section I will show you the fan unit is placed. See, a big fan is placed here, which will blow the fresh air from this side and it will move to the further side. For controlling this fan, here is a dual starter. With the help of this dual starter, the whole unit is being controlled. You can see this is dual starter for starting this motor. Also, if you see, there are different field devices which is used for the monitoring. Like this device is called the temperature sensor. You can see the connection. It will take temperature. The upper side, if you are seeing, this is temperature and humidity sensor. It will measure temperature and both humidity. If you see this sensor, this is DPS, differential pressure switch. So total 3 DPS is present into this AHU. One is placed at this side, fan side, and another one is placed, another 2 is placed here. This is DPS 1, 2. One is for the back filter and one is for the pre-filter. Also, one device is installed. This is called cooling valve actuator. You can see this. So these are the field devices which is used for the controlling and monitoring. These are actually combined with the BMS system, which is building management system, where we can see and calibrate according to our requirement.